sorry, 5744 Baronese. So this is a community we've done quite a lot of work in recently. In fact, not this house right here, but then the first one over, which is the second house. We just started a rehab on it, and the house across the street just closed, and sorry, I got distracted. So there were pigeons here. They've obviously had some sort of gating put up because of that, but it looks like the nest may need to be removed. Okay, so we are almost at the end of this cul-de-sac. And we did another house on that street right there. It's very beautiful. I think this is the same floor plan. If not, then it's very, very close. Okay, so the floors look gorgeous. This is an office because there's no closet. I did my best to get as much light in here as possible. The flooring looks amazing. Beautiful fireplace. These are, that's a Jenny call, I really don't know. That's the intersection of Farrell and El Campo Grande. Maybe put some rocks or turf in there. Oh. Sorry. Okay, so this would be considered a tandem garage here because you could park 2 cars here. It's actually a 3-car garage. The tandem part would probably be used for storage, but because it's only 2 doors, there's only one garage opener, so that's pretty convenient. Have the right blinds in here, and that's final. Jenny likes when the laundry room is separate and you don't have to walk through it. It's just its own room on the side which you can close off. So that's a good thing. Looks good. Looking good. Oh, so the carpet is new. Well, it looks very new. Banister looks like it was recently painted. The walls overall look good. Nice size room. That's the front of the house. Has the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Nice looking. Paint looks good. Blinds and carpeting looks great. Another room that looks really good. Oh. Okay. This looks like vinyl as well. Oh. You know everything's new when you're getting shocked a lot. Lots of static electricity. the loft area. No lights, but it looks good. Okay. Looking good. Cabinets look a tiny bit worn, but overall good.